Clouds over the standoff between Army Chief General VK Singh and the government seem to be dispersing, at least for the moment. However, there have been speculations on whether there would be a one-on-one face-to-face meeting between Army Chief General VK Singh and the Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh.
The last time they came face to face in public was during Republic Day, much before he wrote to the Prime Minister claiming that the country's security was at stake. The Defence Minister, however, meeting the Army Chief as recently as Monday for a review of acquisition proposal of the forces.
The government has decided there will be no action that will be taken against VK Singh, whatever may have transpired over the last several weeks. What the government has decided is, so long as Army Chief enjoys his office till the end of May, no action will be taken, including the option of sending him on forced leave.
Perhaps in acknowledgement of General VK Singh's signal that he wants to bury the hatchet.
इस साल हमारी कोशिश के अनुरूप रक्षा मंत्री जी ने साल के अंत में बजट खत्म हो जाने के बावजूद हमको एक्स्ट्रा बजट दिलाया ताकि आपकी दवाइयों को जो कष्ट हो रहा था उसको ठीक किया जा सके.
But the government drawing the line at a one-on-one meeting between the Army Chief and the Prime Minister.
There will be no one-on-one meeting between the Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh and the Army Chief. As of now, the ground rules are very clear. Whatever the Army Chief needs to say to the Prime Minister, he will have to route it through the Raksha Mantri or Defence Minister A.K. Antony. The Prime Minister will not meet with the Army Chief in the remaining 60 days that he still has in power. In New Delhi, Navika Kumar for Times Now.